Hi, I'm Brendan and this is my channel From the Phone. I'd like to introduce you to possibly one of the best foldable smartphones of 2026, and that is the brand new Honor Magic V6. And as always, this video will be filmed and edited on a smartphone, and today that is the Honor Magic 8 Pro. Okay, let's talk about the powerhouse V6. We've got to start with the displays here. So you've got a 6.5-inch display on the front. On the inside we have a almost 8-inch display, and both of those displays go up to 6,000 nits, which is why we can see it here in the bright sunlight. Also powering the V6 is the latest Snapdragon chipset, the 8 Elite Gen 5, and inside we have a massive battery based on that new technology, the silicon carbon technology, and that is 6,660 milliamp hours fit into this super thin package. Talking about thickness of the Honor Magic V6, the red and gold color that I have here is only 9mm thick, even with that big battery inside. Honor do have a white version that is even thinner at 8.7mm, and they both are from 4mm thick when you open them. Now, talking about the design here on the red and gold one, the hinge here is Aerospace grade aluminium, and it is rated for up to 500,000 folds, which is pretty incredible. Now, this is the only foldable that is rated at IP69 for dust and water resistance durability, so check this out.
Okay, this could go horribly wrong, but we're going to do a IP69 dust and water resistance dunk test on a Magic V6. So let's see what happens. Looks like it survived.
Okay, we have to talk about the cameras here on the Magic V6. Now, most foldables, and a lot of the foldables that have launched before, they usually compromise on certain things, and one of those is the camera. Now, what I love about Honor is they have put a flagship level camera setup in here. There is no compromise. Your main camera is 50 megapixels, your ultra wide camera is 50 megapixels, and the telephoto zoom, which is over here, that is 64 megapixels. So it doesn't really matter what environment you're taking photos in, you're always going to get excellent shots. Okay, I do want to talk about Honor's MagicOS 10, which is built on top of Android 17. So let's jump into a screen recording so I can show you some of those features. Okay, let's take a look at Honor MagicOS 10 on top of Android 17. Now, some people love it, some people hate it, but I think Honor has really optimized and improved the MagicOS experience. The settings menu is super clean, really easy to use, really easy to find anything that you need. If you like to read your Google Now news or access quick search, you can do that here on the left hand side super easily. And then in terms of multitasking on the big display, they've made this super easy too. So you can click down here and you can do a dual or a triple layout. I've already done this with 3 of my apps, so I can use 3 apps side by side really easily. You can also swap them around horizontally or save them. So if you want to save them as a app pairing, done that, and now it's saved to the home screen here, so I've got quick access to it later. Also, if you want to have maybe a slightly smaller app, you can do that as well. So you click the taskbar at the top here and you can change it to a small app like this and move it around. So that's great if you want to look at things like multimedia, or maybe you're chatting to someone in the meantime. And then last but not least, which is always one of my favorite features, is the Honor's side shelf here. I always customize all my AI apps in here, so I've got quick access to them for later. So, is the Honor Magic V6 the best foldable of 2026? Potentially. Now, I haven't used the newly announced Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 or Z Fold Ultra, so I can't compare those directly right now, but I look forward to getting my hands on them. But from my usage with the Magic V6, we finally have a no compromise foldable that has an excellent camera, a beautiful design, it's thin, it has battery life you cannot beat on any foldable smartphone, and it's also even more durable.